Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're going over Sam Cooke's A Change Is Gonna Come. I had a few people asking about this, so this is a great song. The song is in B flat, which can be hard for a lot of people to play. A lot of bar chords, so I decided to do it with cape 3. We got some open nice chords. We got a G major. We got an A minor 7. 1, 2. We got an E minor. 1, 2. We got a C major. The B7. And then in the bridge we do have an A7 and a D7. Okay, and the song is in 6/8. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. We can play this two different ways. We can pick it or strum picking. That sounds the best. So I'm going 6, 4, 3, and then strumming. Down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up. Okay, here we go. G. A minor 7. Minor. Back to G major. Shorter this time. A minor 7. C. D7. E minor. G major. And then we start over. To G, shorter this time. A minor, C, D, E, to G. So that's the verses right there. And then the bridge, we got A minor, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, to G first time. Minor to E minor, A minor, E minor, A7, D7, back to G. The end on G. Okay, so that's all the chords. Let's break it down. Verse starts on G, and that's the first time it's longer than the second time. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1. And then you move to A minor. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now this time shorter. 2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. C, 3, E minor, and ends on G, and then it starts on G. Okay, so that's the verses and the chorus, and the bridge is A minor to G, A minor, E minor, A minor, E minor, and then A7 to D7. Thanks guys for tuning in. I'll be back tomorrow with more cool songs. Thank you.